anyways, hey, this video is dedicated for LPS, sings by me. And, you know what, let me just re-say their names.
You guys are like totally awesome, even though this video will probably suck. Basic Maddie.
That song is basically stuck in my head. But anyways, me, what's your name?
My name is Jimmy. And I will be singing. Here we go. You got what I need. You got what I need. Thank you, I am Jimmy.
Did anyone else notice that Jimmy's constantly singing that song? Or am I just the only one? To LPS Angela X. Dale already knows this, but just in case you don't know LPS Angela X, you're one of my friends. Yeah, that probably just made my video look really creepy. But I'm not. I'm smiling in real life. For a second I thought I wasn't recording. Because I'm such a derp, I do that like all the time. If I didn't do that all the time, I'd be posting 24/7. Well, anyway, you guys, this is for you. Jimmy, you got it from here.
You guys are awesome. Yeah, you guys are awesome. Maddie says bye. She's gonna say in her regular voice. Bye-bye.
Bye, and I'll talk to you guys on Google+. Bye.
You didn't let me